Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are coming over from Haley's page, welcome to my channel. I hope that you enjoy and that you will decide to stick around. So today I'm just doing a cleaning routine. This is kind of a morning cleaning routine. My house is not normally this messy, but we've had a lot going on here, so it did get a little bit out of hand. So I'm just going to go ahead and tackle that today, and I hope this gives you guys some motivation. So speaking of Haley, if you haven't seen Haley Page's YouTube, you should definitely check it out. I really love sharing with you guys other cleaning channels and mommy channels, lifestyle, all that I enjoy, because I think it's fun to find new people. So if you want to go over and check out Haley's cleaning video when you are done watching mine, then I will have that linked for you guys in the description box. She has a little girl and she is pregnant with another little girl, so her channel is full of interesting stuff, and like I said, she does lots of cleaning videos. So if you like that sort of thing, you should definitely go check out her channel. So we got new furniture, we got some new coffee tables, and I will give you some more information about those in a minute, but that is what all that white stuff is. We had to put them together and they were packed with styrofoam, and so we had like a million styrofoam balls all over the floor. So that is what that is. So I chose to do, obviously, clean up the floor last, so I did my dusting and picking up of the toys first. I put all the kids' toys in that pink bucket, and then Maddie went upstairs and put them away for me, and then I just did like my normal dusting and wiping down, straightening up, and then I went ahead and vacuumed.
Yes, baby, you stayed on the ground while I was high. Yes, you've been here before. You closed the door. Now I don't know what to say. I expect you to leave. I deserve to be unheard, but I want you to see that you are the reason why.
Okay, so for my new tables, I did get them at walmart.com, although I did see them advertised on overstock.com as well. They are called the Charleston coffee table and end tables, and they are linked in the description box if you want to check them out. As far as my impression on them, I think they are awesome. They're really good quality, really heavy wood, and it just seems really nicely put together, and I really love the way they look. So if you're wondering and you want some for yourself, I definitely recommend them. And like I said, I got them at Walmart, and I think the coffee table was like $200, and then the end tables were like $100 and something, so it was really reasonably priced, and they shipped really fast. I got them in just a couple of days.
Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade, feels like things are gonna go my way.
I definitely don't have them decorated the way that I'm going to want them decorated, but I just got them set up the night before I filmed this, so I was just kind of leaving them how they are, but I will be styling them different really soon.
Try to fix what has been broken and take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. To the ocean, let its unsaid.
So as you can see, I did move some furniture around. If you watched the vlog called He's Home, it's the second to last video I think that I posted. You've seen that I was rearranging furniture that day, and I do really like everything, except I don't know if I'm sold on the one that's underneath, like the kind of like cutout, I guess, in my kitchen. I don't know if I'm sold on it there. I really liked it where it was, but I do really like my desk there. I really enjoy being able to see out the window, and I just really like my desk here. So I am liking everything the way I have it. So I hope you guys like the way I rearranged it as well. I know on that vlog a lot of you did like it. So thank you guys. So I'm showing you guys right now my solution for all of the cords. If you watched that vlog, I was having issues hiding them. So I got this bead cord at Home Depot, and it actually was about the perfect color to match my desk. So I just nailed it to the back there. And because the camera was kind of at an angle, you can see that little gap. But when you're looking at it straight on, it looks really nice and it hides all the cords. So it was the perfect solution.
I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sunshine in the Remember me, I remember you. I've been thinking about you more than ever.
So now whenever I vacuum, Kinsley loves to get out what she calls the white vacuum, and it is the Procenic vacuum, or Procenic, I don't know how to pronounce it. I have showed it in a couple of videos, and it will be linked in the description box, and it works really well. As you can see, her sucking up a ton of those little white balls, but she really liked to help me, and it actually did help me this time because of the situation. But yeah, if you guys are interested in that vacuum, it is listed in the description box.
'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you because now I see we were meant to be. Where are you now? Heard you live far away, but just tell me where and I'll come see ya. 'Cause I'm afraid that I'll end up here alone. Hope you'll understand how much I need ya. Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you because now I see we were meant to be. Acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you because now I see we were meant to be.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me
So I'm using this Clorox cleaner in the sink. I like to spray it in there and let it sit for a little bit and then scrub out the sink. And I really feel like this disinfects the sink because it is pretty gross if you think about everything that goes in that. So I like to spray it in there, and then in a little bit I'll be scrubbing it out. But I'm also cleaning out my garbage disposal with these little blue packs, and I love these things. They are so good. I like to do this once a week, and then I do my little lemon plinks on a daily basis. But I feel like it does a really good job of cleaning it out and deodorizing it, so I highly recommend those.
I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're not rising. You're not rising. And let me tell you what I found. Leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life. You and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're not rising. You're not rising. I can try if you let me. With our lives, I am bleeding. Who am I without stories that aren't mine? What I did to achieve you gave me air, thought I had to. I'm untrue, it's not pretty, the truth hurts. And you stayed on the ground while I was high. Yes, you've been here before, you closed the door. Now I don't know what to say, I expect you to leave. I deserve to be unheard, but I want you to see that you are the reason why I try. I don't know what you're thinking, but I know how you're feeling. I have crushed and burned someone before. And now
So the last thing I'm going to do is vacuum and mop, but I did actually disinfect around the dog's bowls, and I thought I had filmed it, but apparently I wasn't recording. So I just used the Purell disinfectant spray. A subscriber had actually reminded me that I have that. It's terrible to think that I had this cleaning supply or cleaning product, and I forgot I had it. But when she mentioned using that around the pet bowls, I was like, that is perfect because it's essentially just alcohol. It says it's safe to use with kids and pets and all that. So that is what I use to clean their mats and around their bowls and everything. And I do clean those at least every other day with some sort of disinfectant, but I like to use something more on the natural side just because it is around their food. So I did do that, but unfortunately I didn't get a clip of myself doing it.
It's the look in your eyes, filled with doubts, and I'm scared. I am trying my very best to make it okay, but do you even care anymore? Yes, baby, you stayed on the ground while I was high. Yes, you.
Oh, there we go. I did film myself cleaning the vacuum, my goodness, the trash can, and I was using that Pure Cell cleaner. But guys, we have ants so bad. They're coming in this back door and they're all in my trash can, and that is so gross, and I can't even believe I'm telling you guys, but I like to keep it real here on my channel. So guys, help me. What do? I have little ant traps and they have been there for a couple of weeks and they aren't working at all. What do I do? Help me.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible.
So if you've been with me for a while, you know that this is my favorite way to clean my floors is with pine sol and hot water, and I love my O-Cedar mop, and it is in my Amazon store linked if you're interested in checking it out. And I've had so many of you guys come to me and tell me that you now love to clean your floors this way. I love it because it not only cleans really well, but it disinfects and it smells so good. When you are done mopping, your house smells so fresh and clean, and I just love it. So if you've never tried mopping with hot water and pine sol, definitely give it a try. And if you've been wondering about one of these spin mops, they are awesome. The other one, the hurricane one, is awesome as well.
I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can.
Okay, I am all done and my house is back to normal, and I'm so happy about it. It was driving me crazy when it was like that. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end, leave me the heart emoji in any color that you choose to let me know you made it. And if you are new and you came over from Haley's channel, I would love to have you subscribe. And I love each and every one of you guys. I will see you next time.
That I want. Now I wanna embrace life. You and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I